Hey, algebra, lesson 6-2. Going to be doing problems 1 through 6, 8 through 13. Learning target, I can solve the system by substituting. This is my favorite thing to do with solving the systems of equations. We're kind of learning a whole bunch of different methods. The last one on 6-1 was graphing. This one is substitution. This one always made the most sense to me. It might not make the most sense to you, but let's see. Here we have y equals 2x and y equals 5. And we're going to try to solve for that solution, again, where these two lines cross over at one point. So here we have y equals and y equals. We don't know what x or y is, but we do know that y equals 2x and y equals x plus 5. So I'm going to take this x plus 5, and I'm going to plug it in here for y, because that's what y equals. So we have x plus 5, because that's what y is up here. I'm just plugging this in right here for y. So x plus 5 equals 2x. And that's the same thing because these are both equal to y, and I substituted this x plus 5 for this y. That's what we can do in algebra. And now we're going to solve. I'm going to build my wall first. I have a 2x and 1x over here. 2x is bigger, so I'm going to subtract x. Do it to one side, got to do it to the other. Those will cancel. We're left with 5 equals 2x minus 1x is just 1x, or just x. And we get x equals 5. Okay, well, that means we know a coordinate is 5. Well, if x is 5, if we were to plug this in, because this is our x, we could plug it into either one of these and it should work. X is 5, that'd be 2 times 5, that'd be y is 10. We could try it on the second one. If x is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So the coordinate or the substitution, the solving the system would be 5, 10 for this first one. Let's try another one. 2x plus y equals 5. Y equals x minus 4. Here we can see y equals. So we're going to take this x minus 4, plug it in here for y. So 2x plus x minus 4 equals 5. All I've done is substituted that x minus 4 for the y. Well, 2x plus x would be 3x minus 4 is going to equal 5. Here we have a plus 4. We've got to get rid of this 4 before we get rid of this 3. Plus 4, do it to one side, do it to the other. Those cancel. And we get 3 times x, or 3x, equals 5 plus 4 is 9. Still got our wall. 3 times x, so we got to do the opposite. We got to divide by 3. Do it to one side, do it to the other. X is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Well, again, if x is 3, we can plug that in. I'm always going to plug it into my easier equation. It looks like this one. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. We can also check that up here. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus something equals 5. 6 plus negative 1. If I subtracted 6, 5 minus 6 is negative 1. All right, one more, guys. Boom. X plus 4y equals 6. X plus y equals 3. Notice that neither of these have y equals or x equals. So what I'm going to do here is I got to change this equation. Either one of these I could change. But I'm going to change this bottom one to make it x equals something. I have a y right here, so I'm going to subtract y. Do it to one side, do it to the other. And we get x equals negative y, or let's just go 3 minus y. I was going to go negative y plus 3. It's the same thing. Okay, now that I have x equals, I can take this and plug it in up here. I'm going to substitute it. So we get 3 minus y plus 4y equals 6. Well, negative y and 4y, that's like minus 1 and 4. This is going to be 3 plus 3y equals 6. There's my wall. Got to subtract 3. Again, you got to get rid of this addition before we get rid of this division here. So minus 3, minus 3. This cancels, and we get 3y equals 6 minus 3, which is 3. We have 3 times y, so I got to do the opposite. Got to divide. Do it to one side, do it to the other. And y equals 3 divided by 3, which is 1. We don't know the x, but we know y is 1. If I plug 1 in right here, x plus 1 equals 3. Well, that's 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. You can also check this up here. 4 times 1 minus 4, that would be 2. So this is our solution for the equation. Again, we're just substituting, doing problems 1 through 6, 8 through 13. Again, if you did not take the notes, I'm going to return the assignment. That is part of what we were doing in chapter 6. And from here on out, good luck, algebra.